A murder is murder, and we don't have to name it. We will not throw the rule book or the rule of law out of the window.
As of now, I still am the one responsible for his safety and security.
He does not need or he does not desire a counsel to assist him for purposes of today's proceedings.
Hindi ba sir trabaho ng pulis hulihin ang kriminal, hindi patayin ang kriminal?
Kung dito, sir, pero sa Davao, ang paghuli yan, pinapatayan, sir.
Walang sinabi si Mr. Edgar Matubato na si President Duterte ang pumatay, ang nagpautos na pumatay kay Sally Macdum.
Ano eksakto narinig mo sa kanya?
Patayin mo yung mga nagbomba sa katedral.
The witness has a tendency to answer then change his answer. No affidavit, meron affidavit.
Unless makita namin na medyo may diferensya ang ulo, kapag nagkukwento, the general rule is ina-admit muna namin kaagad pending evaluation. I'm appealing to my colleagues to give him some consideration. Wag naman po yung parang talagang in a formal setting in a court cross-examination. This is a fact-finding inquiry.
Do not come here and expect kindergarten treatment na dapat totoo yung sasabihin mo.
Opo, sir.
Okay, kailangan palabisin ang totoo. Otherwise, I'll hold you in contempt. Sa Tagalog, iko-contempt kita.
Sino ba talaga ang nagdala sa iyo dito?